The term of existing councils of Ponda and Sanquelim municipalities are expiring on 20th May 2023. In pursuance of the amendment of Section 10 of Goa Municipality Act 1968, the Commission has initiated the task of fixing the number and extent of wards into which municipal area shall be divided, that is, delimitation of municipal wards and reservation of wards for ensuring general election to Ponda and Sanquelim Municipal Councils 2023. The Department of Urban Development issued an order on 21/2/23 under Section 9 of Goa Municipality Act, fixing the number of councillors to be elected for the purpose of ensuring general election to Ponda and Sanquelim Municipal Councils. Accordingly, State Election Commission completed the process of delimitation of wards of Ponda Municipal Council and Sanquelim Municipal Council, and the same was published on 27/3/23. The number of wards for Ponda Municipal Council is 15. The number of wards for the Sanquelim Municipal Council is 12. The voters for Ponda is 16,305 and for Sanquelim 8,640. These are the voters. The Commission published ward-wise voter list on 28/3/23, considering the electoral roll of Goa Legislative Assembly prepared under the provisions of Representative People's Act 1950, published in the month of January 2023, considering the qualifying date as 1/1/2023. Considering the de novo delimitation process for wards of Sanquelim Municipal Council, the provision of Section 9 and 10 of Goa Municipality Act 1968, the triple test specified by the Honorable Supreme Court regarding reservation of other backward classes, Goa State Election Commission reserved the wards for other backward classes and women for the ensuing general election to Ponda Municipal Council and Sanquelim Municipal Council 2023, Wide Order 31st March 2023. Now, the district collectors are appointed as municipal council election officers. The Deputy Collector SDM of Ponda Bicholim Taluka are appointed as returning officers. Mamlatdars of Ponda and Bicholim Talukas are appointed as assistant returning officers. The Commission has also appointed general observers and expenditure observers also. The district collectors shall appoint flying squads to monitor the enforcement of Model Code of Conduct. The maximum limit of total election expenses by a candidate in a ward of municipal council elections has been fixed 2 lakhs. The municipal council election will be held on non-party lines. The manner of voting is by ballot. In pursuance of the 243ZA of the Constitution of India and the Sub-Rule 1 of the Rule of Goa Municipalities Election Rules 1969, the Goa State Election Commission hereby declare that the general election to Ponda and Sanquelim Municipal Councils will be held on 5th May 2023. Poll timings are 8 am to 5 pm. COVID-19 positive patients will be entitled to cast their vote in the last hour of the poll, that is 4 pm to 5 pm. The model code of conduct shall come into effect from this moment in the areas under the jurisdiction of Ponda and Sanquelim Municipal Councils. Now I